we saw results come out for Reliance Industries last week. And again, this is one stock which has missed its guidance target at least, even though we've seen that the revenue did increase almost to 3 lakh crore rupees, up about 10% or so, and the net profit also up about 1.6%. But net profit up just 1.6%, perhaps not in line with expectations of investors. Where do you see the action on Reliance from here on?
I think there's further downside. The break we've seen today falling below 1450 is setting us up for a potential further slide towards maybe 1320. That is what I'm anticipating. It may not happen right away, but probably see it eventually go there. So it looks like a weak trend, and that's a major large cap stock which almost made a double bottom in the at the start of the year, because on the 5th of January it was back at the prices that we had seen only last year in July. And then from there we are seeing it sell off again. It's also been in the midst of all the news flow related to the oil and Russia trade, so that also has not helped. But definitely with earnings not coming in, it continues to put the stock under pressure.
Right, so pressure there for Reliance Industries as well. However, it's not just the oil story. In fact, what held well for Reliance Industries was the revenue coming from the telecom space. So one was still anticipating, Rohit, that there could be potentially some clearer announcement on the demerger of Reliance Jio from the mothership, but no real timeline and no real direction given to that as well. Do you think it is time that the demerger goes through? Because if telecom is where the money seems to be, then potentially the investors should enjoy the upside of that and not really get bogged down by all the volatility that we see in the oil prices.
So surely the telecom space is interesting, because now you have left with a couple of big players, and they have a stronger share in the market. But when will they unlock that value for investors remains a question mark. It's usually when the markets are in good shape that you've actually seen Reliance do that. If you look at all their previous IPOs, they usually come out at times when markets are in good condition.
Right.
So definitely they would want to get good value when sentiment is much better than it is right now.
Right.
So they may just wait for the right timing.